The sunflower, or Helianthus annuus, is easily recognizable with its bright yellow petals and tall stature. Part of the Asteraceae family, sunflowers track the sun, a process called heliotropism. These blooms provide beauty and food. Their seeds are nutritious and can be eaten or used for oil. Explore the world of sunflowers from history to modern uses. Discover their secrets and uses. Cultivated for thousands of years, they originated with Native Americans. Sunflowers grow rapidly and thrive in various climates. Their growth from seed to bloom is a marvel. Learn about their movements and the diversity within the sunflower family. Sunflower facts. Sunflowers are not just beautiful, they are also incredibly useful. They can be used for oil, food, and even as a natural dye. Sunflowers are known to follow the sun, a phenomenon called heliotropism. They are native to North America and have been cultivated for over 4,500 years. Sunflowers can grow up to 12 feet tall and produce thousands of seeds. They are also known for their ability to clean up toxic soil through a process called phytoremediation. Sunflowers are masters of adaptation. They can thrive in a variety of environments, from lush fields to arid deserts. Their resilience is truly remarkable, allowing them to flourish even in the harshest conditions. Their most well-known trait is heliotropism. This unique characteristic enables them to follow the sun's path across the sky, ensuring they capture the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. This is their ability to track the sun's movement across the sky. By doing so, they optimize their photosynthesis process, which is crucial for their growth and energy production. Young sunflower heads face east in the morning, follow the sun during the day, and face west in the evening. This daily dance with the sun is a fascinating natural phenomenon. This movement maximizes sunlight exposure, boosting growth and energy production. As a result, sunflowers grow taller and healthier, showcasing their vibrant yellow petals. Another fascinating fact: the sunflower head is not a single flower, but a composite of many tiny flowers called florets. Each floret has the potential to become a seed. These florets mature into the seeds we enjoy. Sunflower seeds are not only a delicious snack but also a source of oil and other products. The sunflower's journey from a tiny floret to a seed is a testament to nature's incredible processes. Section 4, where sunshine blooms, habitats and happy growing. Native to North America, sunflowers are now cultivated globally. They thrive in open spaces with plenty of sunlight. Well-drained soil and warm temperatures are ideal for their growth. Sunflowers attract various pollinators, including bees and butterflies. These pollinators play a vital role in their reproduction. Birds, especially finches, feast on their seeds, further aiding in their dispersal. Section 5. From field to table, the bounty of sunflowers. Sunflowers are incredibly versatile, offering a multitude of benefits and uses that extend far beyond their initial appearance. Their seeds are a nutritious snack, packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These seeds can be enjoyed raw, roasted, or even as a part of various dishes, adding a delightful crunch and nutritional boost. Sunflower oil, extracted from the seeds, is a popular cooking oil. It's known for its high smoke point, making it ideal for frying, sautéing, and baking. This oil is a staple in many kitchens around the world. It's light, with a neutral flavor, making it suitable for a wide range of culinary uses. From salad dressings to stir-fries, sunflower oil enhances the taste of food without overpowering it. But the uses don't stop there. Sunflower seeds are also processed into sunflower butter, a delicious and nutritious alternative to peanut butter, perfect for those with nut allergies. Sunflower oil is also used in cosmetics and skincare products. Its moisturizing properties make it a key ingredient in lotions, creams, and even hair care products, promoting healthy skin and hair. The stalks and leaves provide biomass, a renewable energy source. This sustainable use of sunflower byproducts helps reduce waste and supports eco-friendly energy solutions. And let's not forget their beauty. Sunflowers with their bright yellow petals and towering presence are a symbol of joy and positivity. Sunflowers brighten homes, gardens, and even special occasions with their cheerful presence. Whether in a vase, as part of a bouquet, or planted in a garden, they bring a touch of sunshine to any setting. Section 6. The enduring appeal of sunflowers. Sunflowers embody joy, warmth, and energy. Their vibrant blooms and impressive stature continue to captivate us. From ancient civilizations to modern times, they have held a place of admiration in art, culture, and everyday life. More than just a pretty face, the sunflower provides sustenance, resources, and inspiration. So, the next time you see a sunflower, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and the many wonders it holds within. If you learned something new, Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content about flowers, plants, and nature.